So this is called pizza dough. We are making pizza today. So this is cheese, tomatoes, and these are the flour we're going to be using for the pizza. And these are my hot dog, the meat, and these are all the vegetables I am going to be using. And we have yeast. This is quick rice, and also we have oregano. So watch out and see how I am going to make this pizza, and it's very easy and it's going to be very delicious. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Hello everyone, you all are welcome to Joy Cooking Show. So today we are making a very good food called pizza. So let's see how I'm going to make this pizza. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you are all welcome. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. So this is the flour we are going to be using for this delicious pizza. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. Just going to add it to this flour and nothing else. And we're going to be adding this yeast, the quick yeast. Just add it. It's just quick pizza. And we're going to be adding water. We're going to be adding 2 cups of water to it. Mix everything together. So this is it. So now I can just use my hand to finish it up. It's very easy. So this is it. I'm just going to let the dough to rise for at least another 20 minutes. Then we'll continue to make our pizza. This is the dough. Let it rise for 20 minutes. So you can see, so stretchy now. And just let it rise. So this is it. The dough is rising now. So now it's time to make it. First, I have to put some flour here. You can see how the dough is so nice, how stretchy it is. You can see. So this is called pizza dough. So now I just have to nail the dough before we can start to roll it out for pizza. So now you just need to portion it out. So now we just have to nail this one out. It's very easy. Just nail it out. So this is the dough. You can see how I roll them out before I will place them. So these are all the train I'm going to be using. All this you've seen on it is cornmeal, so that will not get stick. So right now I'm just going to take it off. You can see how stretchy this pizza is. You can see how it is. So now I will just fix it inside the tray. So this is it. This is how I made my pizza, homemade pizza. So this is it. You can see how stretchy this pizza is. This is the pizza dough. So you can see right now I'm just going to place it on this pan. So it's time to work on the pizza condiments. So these are all the ingredients we're going to put for topping. So these are the pizza. So these are all the pizza. Right now we're going to start with this tomatoes. This is tomato sauce. This sauce is just tomatoes, peeled tomatoes, and we blend it with a little bit of salt. No seasoning, just salt, and that's it. A little bit of salt. So now we're gonna be adding in this cheese. These are the cheese. You can see, add as much as you want. So right now we just add a little bit of hot dog. You can use sausage, use hot dog, use pepperoni, anyone you want. You can use. So now I'm gonna be using sliced tomatoes. zucchini. This is zucchini, sliced zucchini. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of onions, just onions ring. If you want, just do your own topping that you know you like. It's not necessary you must put all this. Do it the way you want. Okay, then a little bit of oregano. This is oregano, just drizzle a little bit of it. So this is this pizza topping. I'm going to be making different types here. So this is it. This one is going down to the oven, 420 degrees for 10 minutes. So taking it to, so this is tomatoes. This is homemade pizza. So right now, just put some cheese. You'll have cheese as well. Then this is pepperoni. The hot dog, we're just gonna do it as pepperoni. Any topping you want. Just adding a little bit of zucchini. A little bit of onions. So this is this one. You can see how beautiful it is. So it's going to the oven. So these are the pizza and it's ready. It's time to slice it. You can see, just slide up. So right now, you're just gonna cut pizza. So this is the pizza, very well cooked. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Bye for now. Wow, this is wonderful slice. This is so good.